Hello everyone, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. We have a cold snap coming on Tuesday. It's a distraction from everything else that's going on. And we've got a few showers coming in there as well. Good for the drought zones. So let's take a look and see what is happening at the moment. You can see the building southerly change out here on the wind map. There is a big high just south of Australia. It's going to take all week to track into the New Zealand area. And by the time it does, probably won't be until about this weekend. So that means this week ahead is the southerly side of that incoming high. So the temperatures are going to go up and down as we go through the next few days. Tuesday and Thursday look to be the two coldest days of the week. Monday itself, though, fairly warm for northern New Zealand. You've got subtropical winds, drizzle and downpours. Very good news for you, but that cold change is just about to pounce and move up the country. So this is Tuesday's outlook. It's gone across the whole of the country, so everybody will feel the temperatures dropping as we go through Tuesday. In the very lower part of the South Island, the showers will be arguably wintry, and by that we just mean it will feel very cold. The wind chill could get below 10 degrees at times, and the snow flurries on the ranges will be a bit of a surprise. So it's a bit of a cool start for this working week. But let me just take you to Wednesday. We've actually got a bit of a change. It's hard to see it, but the winds change direction, and so you'll actually find Tuesday's colder than average in both islands. Wednesday more likely to be normal, or in fact even slightly above normal. So it's a bit of a strange time. So the South Island, well, when I say strange, I mean it's very normal for autumn, but the South Island will be seeing those up and down temperatures. It'll be a little cooler still for the north of New Zealand on Wednesday, still caught up in the last part of that sou'wester, bringing in a few showers to the drought areas. And then we get to Thursday, and the next cold snap comes into the south. Another burst of low temperatures and snow on the hills and ranges. Heavy rain on the west coast, and for the North Island's western side, light showers. It's a little bit warmer on Thursday around the North Island as well. Winds will start to turn a little bit more westerly. Similar story around the upper half of the South Island as well, north of about Christchurch. Now Friday, that cooler wind moves northwards again, so most places get another temperature reset, but the bulk of that system actually stays out at sea, tracks very close to the lower part of the South Island, and then it moves out to the sea. So hopefully we'll end up with just a few showers and then things starting to dry out again. And finally, in comes that big high, settling things down. So as we get into the weekend, Saturday, that's when the high is finally starting to arrive and the winds become light in most places. A couple of showers remaining around the eastern side now of the North Island, and perhaps one or two around the western side of Northland. Otherwise, things are drying out as we head in towards the weekend. That is all from me. We are back every day this week as per usual. So if you need a little sort of moment to break away from everything else, we are still here doing what we always do. I'll see you again on Tuesday.